Welcome to our video on psychology facts about human behavior. In this video, we'll explore some interesting insights into how our minds work, and how our behavior is shaped by various factors. Let's get started. Section 1, The Power of the Unconscious Mind. Did you know that our unconscious mind has a huge influence on our behavior, even when we're not aware of it? For example, studies have shown that people are more likely to choose a product with a brand name that sounds familiar, even if they don't know anything about the brand itself. This is called the mere exposure effect. Another fascinating fact is that our unconscious mind can even influence our body language. For instance, research has shown that people tend to mimic the body language of those around them, without even realizing it. This is called mirroring, and it can happen even between strangers. The unconscious mind is the part of our mind that operates below our level of awareness. It is responsible for many of our automatic behaviors, such as breathing, regulating our heartbeat, and processing sensory information. It is also where our emotions, memories, and beliefs are stored. The power of the unconscious mind is that it can influence our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors without us even realizing it. For example, our unconscious beliefs and biases can shape our perceptions and reactions to situations, even when we consciously try to be objective. Furthermore, the unconscious mind can also play a significant role in decision-making. Research has shown that our unconscious mind can process information much faster than our conscious mind, allowing us to make quick decisions based on intuition and gut feelings. In addition, the unconscious mind can also impact our creativity and problem-solving abilities. When we let go of conscious thinking and allow our minds to wander, we can tap into the creativity of the unconscious and come up with novel solutions to problems. Overall, the power of the unconscious mind is that it can shape our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors in profound ways, often without us even realizing it. By becoming more aware of the workings of our unconscious mind, we can gain greater control over our thoughts and actions and harness its power to improve our lives. Section 2, The Role of Emotions in Decision-Making. Emotions play a crucial role in decision-making. Emotions are complex reactions to stimuli that can influence our behavior, thoughts, and feelings. When we make decisions, we draw on both our rational and emotional sides to arrive at a conclusion. There are different ways in which emotions can influence decision-making. One way is through the experience of positive or negative feelings associated with different options. For example, we may choose a particular food because it brings us pleasure or avoid a certain activity because it causes us anxiety. In these cases, our emotions serve as a kind of shorthand for evaluating different choices. Another way in which emotions can impact decision-making is through their ability to influence our thinking processes. Research has shown that emotions can affect our attention, memory, and judgment, leading us to focus on certain aspects of a decision and ignore others. For example, if we are feeling anxious or afraid, we may be more likely to perceive threats and respond defensively, even if those threats are not actually present. Finally, emotions can also play a role in the way we weigh different options against each other. Studies have shown that people tend to value losses more than gains, meaning that the emotional impact of a potential loss can outweigh the potential benefit of a gain. This can lead us to take risks to avoid losses, even if the potential gain is relatively small. Overall, emotions are a fundamental part of the decision-making process, shaping the way we perceive, evaluate, and respond to different options. By understanding the role of emotions in decision-making, we can become more aware of our own biases and make more informed choices. Section 3, The Impact of Social Influence. Social influence refers to the way that people are influenced by others around them. It can take many forms, such as peer pressure, conformity, obedience, or persuasion. Social influence is an important aspect of human behavior, as it can shape our attitudes, beliefs, and actions. The impact of social influence can be both positive and negative. On the one hand, social influence can help individuals to conform to social norms, which can promote social cohesion and cooperation. For example, if everyone in a community agrees that it is important to recycle, then people are more likely to recycle themselves. On the other hand, Social influence can also lead to negative outcomes, such as conformity to harmful behaviors or beliefs. For example, if a group of peers engages in risky behavior like drinking or smoking, individuals may be more likely to engage in these behaviors themselves, even if they know it's not healthy. In addition to peer pressure, social influence can also come from authority figures or persuasive messages. For example, people may be more likely to obey orders from a police officer or government official, even if they disagree with them, because of the perceived authority of these figures. Overall, the impact of social influence can be profound and wide-ranging. It can influence everything from personal beliefs and attitudes to social norms and cultural practices. Understanding how social influence works can help individuals and society to promote positive behaviors and reduce negative ones. Section 4, The Importance of Self-Control. Self-control is the ability to regulate one's thoughts, emotions, and actions in order to achieve long-term goals and avoid short-term impulses. It is a critical skill that plays a key role in personal and professional success, and has a wide range of benefits. Here are some of the key reasons why self-control is important. Better decision-making. People with good self-control are better able to make rational decisions, even in the face of strong emotions or temptations. They are able to weigh the costs and benefits of different options and choose the one that is most likely to lead to their desired outcome. Improved productivity. Self-control is essential for staying focused and avoiding distractions. People with good self-control are able to resist the temptation to procrastinate or engage in unproductive activities, and instead stay on task and work towards their goals. Enhanced relationships. Self-control is important in relationships because it helps people avoid impulsive or hurtful behaviors that can damage relationships. People with good self-control are able to communicate effectively, listen to others, and show empathy, which are all critical components of healthy relationships. Better health. Self-control is also linked to better health outcomes. People with good self-control are more likely to make healthy choices such as exercising regularly, eating a balanced diet, and avoiding harmful behavior such as smoking or excessive drinking. Greater success. Finally, self-control is critical for achieving long-term success in both personal and professional life. People with good self-control are able to set and achieve goals, persist in the face of challenges, and adapt to changing circumstances, all of which are essential for success. Overall, self-control is a crucial skill that plays a key role in personal and professional success, and can have a positive impact on many areas of life. And that's it for our video on psychology facts about human behavior. We hope you found these insights interesting and useful. Remember, understanding how our minds work is the first step towards improving our behavior and achieving our goals. Thanks for watching.